beautiful
Texture, moisture, flavor, sweetness. Yum!
Hi, I'm Emily, a Stop and Shop registered dietitian.
And we're Dave and Steve, identical twins from Ireland called the Happy Pair.
We want to help you eat your veg in the hope that you'll be healthier and happier.
And this is At
the Table!
All right, so today we are bringing things back to the basics. So I would love for you two to make a recipe using only pantry staples.
Okay, what's a pantry?
What's a pantry? You don't have those in
As in
Ireland?
like just store cupboard staples,
Yeah,
like nuts
yeah.
and beans and grains and
Okay.
rice.
Absolutely.
Okay, cool. Let me.
I've got one. We're gonna make a 5-minute high-protein, grain-free granola. Okay, so first step in making this delicious granola is we're gonna start by adding our seeds into the food processor. We've got some pumpkin seeds and some sunflower seeds.
Could I use sesame seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds?
Absolutely, literally 2 handfuls of seeds. We're gonna add them to the food processor. Okay, I've got 2 handfuls of nuts. I've got 1 handful of walnuts, which are delicious, and I've got 1 handful of almonds.
I see we're using some heart-healthy nuts in here.
Good observation.
Yeah, absolutely. I love those walnuts, like I said, giving those heart-healthy fats, as well as our nuts and seeds, just adding crunch all around.
Here, here. And the beautiful thing about walnuts is they look a little like a brain, and they're meant to be really good for our brain.
Full of omega-3 essential fatty acids, as you know very well.
Absolutely.
Okay, great. If you give us 4 minutes, we'll have this ready to go, and hopefully we will pass this test.
All right, I'll get out of your hair for now.
Go team!
Okay, so you can see here we haven't blended it until it becomes like a flour. We've got a bit of bite to it. There still is some kind of semi-whole nuts.
Because we want this to mimic a grain.
So next up, we're gonna pop our pan on a high heat.
So there's no oil in the pan, and what we want to do here is just lightly caramelize them.
Oh, I can smell it.
Okay, great, showtime.
This is so exciting, Santa's coming.
So I'm gonna add in a nice little pinch of salt, and that'll just help accentuate the sweet.
And in terms of dried fruit, we're using apricots, dates, cranberries, and raisins here.
And if you don't like dried fruit, leave it out. Put in some cacao nibs, mix it up. Just like, I think cooking is a wonderful opportunity to bring diversity, to express yourself, and to cook food you like.
Yeah!
We can
Vote
do
for
it.
Steve. Okay, we managed to leave it cool, and it smells amazing. This will last for at least 6 months in an airtight container, like so. Okay, how do you reckon we serve this for Emily, Steve?
I love to serve this with a little bit of coconut yogurt, some berries. I think it just goes beautiful, the contrast between the sweet and the creamy and the crunchy and the crispy and the berries.
Okay, well, let's get some coconut yogurt and tub this up for Emily. Perfect. Check that out. Look at that. Like, it's just so pretty. It really, really is. Emily, I think we're ready for you.
All right,
Be kind to us. Be kind to us.
I'm excited to dig in. This is delicious. The crunch, I love that we're using nuts and seeds in this granola, since it typically uses oats, but I really like the extra crunch it's adding, and then not to mention the protein and fiber you're getting as well.
So what do you reckon? Have we passed?
You know, I do have all of these ingredients at home in my pantry as we speak, so I think you've met the challenge and you've made this mission possible.
Woo! I love it.